physics to quickly show you guys my project drawer. 10:22. I have my ring light on, my tripod's there, a bit prepared today. Even though we have submitted our projects online, like in Google Classroom and other things, we still have to submit the hard copy on the 28th of January. So basically, because we all cannot like meet together, everyone's got like a particular day and timing. I don't know why they want a hard copy. Yeah, some of the projects have been done in Word files and PowerPoint presentations and all. So we have to print those. So that's what we're gonna do today. And let me show you how we have to submit it. Just a sec. It's called the channel file. I think that's what the teacher said. And basically you put in paper and then you have to slide it up. It's really nice. I have got like 10 of these. I have 10 subjects. But I will not be using all of them because yeah. Some of my projects are in like the shoelace file form and some of them are going to be in this. I know it's getting really late, but I will do something. Yeah. I got the printer from the other house. I've got my paper, I have ink, everything is ready, and my laptop's here, so I have to see and print everything. I have to number all the pages and then print them, so that's going to take a while because today is the 6th of January. It's very like cold in Kolkata, so I'm here in full sleeves. This is the ink that I might have to put in. I have my Hindi project, my chemistry. I have to label it. And my bio project. Oh, this is my geography project. Oh, I completely forgot about that one. Oh yeah, we've had one project on paper and the other projects on my laptop. So I guess we'll be submitting this one. History project. This is like packed really nicely. These are all the papers that I'm gonna use. 28 centimeters to 22 centimeters, but I usually use the smaller one, but it wasn't available, so we ordered the big one. Hardcover. If I'm like starting my numbering from 3, all the pages are getting numbered 3. Like I'm not being able to, I don't know. I'll update you guys when I figure it out. Bye. Update time. I'm almost done. And guess how long did it take me? It took me an hour to print 3 projects, but I have to do some editing as well and have some pictures. This laptop is so slow that it took me ages. Even though our teacher didn't tell us to print the front page for every subject, I did it anyway. Oh, I also printed the question paper, which I didn't realize I did. And I also get pages and picture of me doing the project. Something really funny happened. I was printing the project. That time my printer started glitching. I had 2 projects, one on tessellations and one on bulking, and it got printed on the same sheet. Yep. I'm gonna keep all my papers over there in that cupboard. I have all my files ready. This is my maths file. Both are green. Guys, a quick flip through of these 3 projects. This is what my physics project looks like. My picture. Then I have my measurements. This is the diagram we drew. This is the second diagram. We had 2 with 2 different angles. Yeah. This is my maths project. This is what it looks like. I have my index and the page number. It took me so long to figure out how to number the pages. This is my first page. Looks really pretty. The thing. Second page, another chart. This is a thing that I've been doing, that at least one table or chart or something in one page, so it doesn't like become really boring. Except for this one. This This is my last page. This is my second project on tessellation. Oh my god. Oh wait, I just spelled it wrong somewhere. This is the drawing I made. I tried printing it, but it started glitching and stuff, as you can see. So I put the original one. This is my last page. I'm gonna put this inside. And I gotta clean up. I have lots to do. 11:56. I guess that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and do all that stuff. Have a nice day, night, evening, morning, whatever you're having. Bye.